double crochet decrease. To do a double crochet decrease or a double crochet 2 together, you start as usual, yarn over, hook through the stitch, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on the hook, pull through the first 2 as normal, but now we need to incorporate the next stitch. So yarn over, hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, now yarn over and pull through all 3 to finish off the stitch. So now the 2 become 1. Yarn over into the first stitch, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, rather than finishing off the stitch, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 stitches on the 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 to become 1.